guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and also on the notification bell so that you get a notification every time I post a video. And if you are a returning, thank you for tuning in. My name is KEABETSWE, known as Pretty on Instagram, on Twitter, and also on YouTube. It is a Saturday today and I am vlogging. Right now we're going to Winner for more. I want to take some pictures and then we're going grocery shopping. I don't think I'm going to show you guys when we're doing grocery shopping or shopping because I always show you guys that. And then after that we're going to my grandmother's place because it is my cousin's son surprise party, something like that. So we need to come back, grab some gifts, and then go there. So surely I'll take you guys there. I don't think I'll close the vlog today, but if it's enough footage then I'm going to close it today, but if it's not then we're taking it to the to another day, maybe Monday. I don't think tomorrow I'll be vlogging though. Anyway, I think I'll catch up with you guys when we get to Vulnerable Mall because we also want to get some breaky meaning wings from KFC. As always, you'll always see KFC on my vlog. If you new, just know that you'll always see KFC on my blog, on my Saturday vlogs. You'll always see KFC chow, and that's on period. That's on period. Anyway, I'll catch up with you guys later. Oh, I did my hair on, okay, wait, first of all, on Wednesday it was my birthday, so if you didn't wish me a happy birthday, please type below in the comment section. Please type happy belated because I need that child. It's gonna make me feel better. Anyway, on Thursday I went to town to do my hair. Oh, that's all on Thursday. Okay, this is not proper. On Thursday, I went to town to do my hair, so I got my hair done. I don't really like it, especially at the back because you know, if you from like Pretoria, you know that's Pretoria CBD. And I went there, so I had no choice. By the way, I had no choice because I was going there to meet somebody to take pictures, but that person disappointed me, so I decided to go do my hair. I didn't vlog that because my phone was low, so we're starting the vlog today. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. It's a vibe over here. It's a vibe over here. Kumnandi kuba apha like bona kunale vibe mo. Kunale vibe. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch up with you guys later. Also, please go to my Instagram page and like my recent picture. I posted a dope picture. Please go like it. Please go like it and follow me on Instagram for more content, for more vibe, for more alcoholist, for more everything. So yeah, man. I was like, and then I'll catch up with you guys later. I look so pretty. I'm hot like a heater. So we had Vulnerable Mall, and then I just took my pictures. So now we're gonna go to Woolworths. We were going to my brother to fetch our rings, but right now we're going to Woolworths. So yeah, you know the vibe. You know the entire vibe. Let me take a snap of KFC so that it can be on my thumbnail, chat. Oh, so like we're going to Woolworths to buy whatever that we're gonna buy. I'll take you guys along to Woolworths, and then after Woolworths, I think I'm gonna see you guys. Then we are on our way going home, because I'm not gonna vlog at Checkers like I always vlog at Checkers.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. We talk on the phone every night. Love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well, and I know that you're right, but you should know it. You've been gone for way too long now. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't forget you. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. And even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing.
No, for real, it's closed.
If I could lay down beside you,
and it's very close. Like, what should I do? But
when nothing really matters, that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters.
To go Woolworths. We are about to go to Checkers. I'm about to eat because I'm hungry. Alright, babe. You know the vibe. You know the vibe. Every day, all day. KFC wings on a Saturday. It's 13 rand. Get yourself some wings. I'm plugging y'all. KFC, recognize the deal. Alright, babe. Oh my gosh. I'll talk to you guys later. I'm about to eat though. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is the next day. It is Monday today, and I'm cooking, so I decided to cook with y'all. I hope you guys are gonna enjoy this cooking session. Yeah. cinnamon, sugar, butter, and vanilla essence. And then here's my gravy. I'm waiting for my brother. I'm gonna tell my brother to go buy Mindstream for me because I need it. There's no Mindstream in here, and it needs to be rich out. And then that's my rice. So yeah, I have to do green salad and then the chicken, and then I'll be done. So I'll be using this to do the chicken, the full chicken. We got it from, I do not remember, we got it like last month and we haven't tasted. It looks like this. So I'm gonna use it and try it out and see how it works. I need to read the things so that I can be able to use it. So yep, I'll show you guys when I have inserted the chicken inside and show you guys how it looks, and also and also how it looks after. This is how it looks. It has this, I think it is the holder of this, and then it has this to put inside. I don't know what is this. And then it also has this. So yeah, it looks like this. Chicken like bone, like a marinated. This is the chicken, so I'm gonna place it in here. I hope like it's correct. I'm gonna place it in here, and then we'll see. We'll see. So if I'm cookie wailing, I use the longer one, this one, instead of the small one, and then I placed it on 180 to 200 C, and then the time on 40 minutes because they give us instructions here. If you're doing pizza, put it on this and that. If you're doing this, put it on that and that. Put it on that and that, and all that. So we'll see. This is how it looks. But in the dark medium, I feel like I feel it's because of the sauces that I used to marinate the chicken. But it looks so delicious. Surely it tastes amazing. Ciao.